Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing mixed as the Nasdaq reached another all-time high. Shares in telecommunication services, energy, and banks all losing momentum, while shares in semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, retailing, consumer durables, and apparel, and they all closed higher. Advancers ahead of decliners, 53% of SP 500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Alphabet, which is Google, reported first quarter EPS of $7.73 versus $6.26 a year ago on revenues up 22% year over year to $24.75 billion. Amazon.com announcing first quarter diluted EPS of $1.48 versus $1.07 a year earlier on net sales of $35.7 billion. Net income jumping 41% year over year to $724 million. Microsoft unveiled a third quarter diluted EPS of 61 cents versus 47 cents last year on revenue of $23.6 billion, while turning overseas. The Asian markets down today. The Nikkei down 0.29%, the Hang Seng down 0.34%, China CSI 300 down 0.2%, and South Korea's Kospi down 0.18%. European markets, they're mixed, and U.S. futures calling for a flat start. Now, in terms of expectations today, ExxonMobil first quarter EPS seen at 85 cents. Chevron first quarter EPS seen at 86 cents. And General Motors first quarter EPS seen at $1.48. In terms of today's economic data, 8:30 in the morning, we have the first quarter adjusted GDP annualized quarter over quarter. 9:45 in the morning sees April Chicago PMI, and 10 o'clock in the morning sees the April final University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index expected at 98. In terms of market performance, the SP 500 sees a bullish bias above 2377. Now, the relative strength index is mixed to bullish. Long positions above 2377 are favored, with targets at 2395 and 24 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, sees the upside prevail, preferring long positions above 5555, and the Dow Jones sees a bullish bias above 2845, therefore preferring long positions above that figure.